Go animate out of context? What? Yes! This videos rocks! I will tell you the reasons why I like these videos in Go Animate. 1. All the characters are Go Animate is funny. 2. The fictional characters are in Go Animate is gonna be funny and epic. 3. The sounds are funny. And 4. The scenes are funny, mega funny, epic. 5. The funny Caillou gets grounded and auto-grounded videos. 6. These videos are featuring any epic and funny scenes, especially Rakakanda Beyonder. I hope this video will stay alive in the years. And who likes this video? All around the world. And who hates this? Nobody. And so, Go Animate out of context rocks. What's this Aviala?